Alright everyone, it is day 116 of my Appalachian Trail through hike. Even though I have been toasty, dry, and warm at the Bear's Den hostel, I am going out in the rain today and hiking. I could have really easily stayed another day at the Bear's Den, but I'm not, because I want to get to Harper's Ferry. Like I said in my video I posted right before this, yesterday I had so many things off. I thought it was Thursday all day long until I got to Bear's Den and was eating my pizza and realized, you know what? It's Wednesday. And then I also thought, oh, I only have 12 miles into Harper's Ferry from Bear's Den, until I started looking at far out again, and I was like, oh, this is saying it's 20 miles, so that's going to make a big difference. Oh my gosh. So funny. I don't know where my head was yesterday, but I think it was probably on my baby girl leaving me. So, but anyway, on trail this morning. Oh, look at these, ain't pretty. So pretty. So we're walking back the Blue Blaze from Bear's Den back to the AT. Anyway, so yeah, I'm in good spirits today. My feet, I can tell. I went over miles and miles of rocks and up steep inclines yesterday on the roller coaster. But we are getting back on the AT and heading north. Heading to the something lesser shelter. It's 11 miles away. To get into Harper's Ferry is 20 miles, 20 point something miles, and yeah, I just don't think I could do that. So anyway, here we go. We're getting ready to turn and get back on the AT. To the rocks. Awesome, let's go. Just to show you, I am descending, and this is the roller coaster right now. It's raining, sprinkling, and everything's wet and slick, so it's very tedious, but we'll get it done. So this is the trail right now. I've been on trail an hour, and I've only done 1.5 miles. It's slow going today. And for those of you who don't know what the roller coaster is, the roller coaster is a 14.5 mile piece on the Appalachian Trail in Virginia that has really several steep inclines and declines, or ascents and descents, that are really rocky, like I showed you. So they call it the roller coaster. It is tough. It's probably even tougher when everything is wet, so like I'm experiencing today. But we'll get it done. Ooh, that was really slick. I need to be really careful, because if you slip and fall in this stuff, it's not going to be pretty. That's for sure. So, all right, putting the phone back up. I thought the rocks are really pretty through here. I don't know if it's granite that's in between the lines here. I don't know. Don't know my rocks, but they're really pretty. Really Makes it really pretty through here. But that's what it looks like. Oh gosh. All right, let's go. And I've made it from Virginia to West Virginia. Whoop whoop. Another state down. Well, it's possible that we might have a view up here. Let's check it out. Kind of fogged in, but not too bad. Let's go over here. Yeah. Not the best, but nice. We're up on some cliffs. I don't remember the name. It's barely misting out. All right, let's keep going. Love this green moss along the trail. It reminds me of the emerald forest that we went through. That was so pretty. Definitely have to go back there and see that again. This is the trail right now. Going up. We should be finishing the roller coaster anytime. So I just finished the roller coaster. Thank goodness. So let's keep going. We have a little bit of fog going on. It's getting kind of spooky. Nah. The terrain has flattened out a lot, which is nice. Oh, I spoke too soon. We're going up. So pretty. I'm liking the ferns. This stuff is so slick, though.
I know. I got a little bit of solar cycle on my supposed to just have ridge wagon.
Oh my gosh. I just saw a mama deer with her little baby. I didn't get to get a video of it, but it was so sweet. Oh, I love it. Oh, turn the phone around so you can kind of see the trail. She was so quiet. I almost didn't see her. And then I saw something moving behind her, and it was little baby. So cute. All right, so I'm about half mile from, ow, dang it, the Wesser shelter. Can't remember the guy's first name. Jesus. It's supposed to start storming. Yeah, that too maybe. It's supposed to start raining at 7. So I'm trying to decide whether I'm going to stay in the shelter or pitch my tent. I want to pitch my tent, but I just got off the phone with David, and he's saying that we're supposed to have rain up to 8 a.m. tomorrow. So if that's the case, I really don't want to pack up my tent in the rain, and have a soaked tent. So anyway, I got to decide what I want to do there. I hate sleeping in a shelter, though. Ugh. Anyway, this is the trail. We're going to head up, so I'm putting the phone away.